don't know what's more frustrating. Unlocking Face ID with a mask, or the fact that it's taken Apple 2 years to solve this problem. With this, welcome back, tech heads. So, I currently have COVID.
Sucks to be you.
Thanks for the concern. You know, I appreciate it. Why are we even friends? Anyways, so I am stuck in isolation, and whenever I leave my room, I have to put on my mask, and as we all know, Face ID does not work with this.
Until today.
Step 1. We need to make sure our iPhones are updated to iOS 15.4 or later. If you don't know how to do this, open the Settings app, scroll down to General, Software Updates, and download and install iOS 15.4 if you need to. Step 2. Once your iPhone is fully updated, go to the Settings app again, scroll down to Face ID and Passcode, and type in your passcode to enter.
What are you doing?
I'm doing another rapid COVID test. Look, I'm feeling a lot better, but I need a negative rapid test.
Or
I'm stuck in isolation for a lot longer, losing my mind, talking to a robot. Okay, we'll check the test results later, so. Step 3. From the Face ID and Passcode menu, scroll down to Use Face ID with a mask and tap on it. Tap on Get Started, and now we can do our face scan. But wait, do not wear a face mask for this mask Face ID scan.
that doesn't make any sense. Why not?
I don't know. Nothing Apple does makes any sense. Hey, how's my test results?
It's not ready yet.
Alright, well, step 4. Without wearing a face mask, for some reason, move your head within the Face ID circle. Just try not to get dizzy. You know, you can even use Face ID without even using your face.
But we'll show you that later.
Step 5. Once you're done scanning your face within the Face ID circle, tap Done. You're going to want to add other scans with glasses. If you wear glasses, that is. Since mask Face ID is only using the top half of your head to unlock your phone.
Bad news, Blake.
Man. Alright, well, I guess more isolation for me now, because I'm still positive. Well, anyways, so if you want to know how to use Face ID without even using your face, check out this tech-tastic video right here.